Chapter 7, Triangles. We'll discuss on the criteria for congruence of triangle. Criteria for congruence of a triangle. So suppose two triangles I have given here. I am drawing two triangles. These two triangles. These two triangles will be congruent. Congruent means this is equal sign and this is similarity. The two triangles must be equal and they must be similar. Then they will be congruent. That is why it is said that all similar triangles are not congruent, but all congruent triangles are similar. Now here you see, suppose this side and this side, two sides are equal to each. This side is equal to this side. This third side is equal to third side. Now see, the three sides of this triangle is equal to the three sides, the corresponding three sides of the another triangle. The three sides of the first triangle is equal to the corresponding three sides of the another triangle. Then these two triangles are congruent by side congruence. That is, if three sides of one triangle is equal to the three sides of the another triangle, then the triangles are said to be congruent. Next, I am taking another pair of triangles. These two triangles. This side and this side is equal. This side and these sides are equal. And included angle, these two sides included angle, this angle, these two sides included angle, this angle are equal, then these two triangles are said to be congruent. That is, if two sides of a triangle is equal to the two sides, corresponding two sides of the another triangle, and included angles are also equal, then the two triangles are congruent, and that is by SAS. One more I want to put one more pair of triangles. These two triangles. Now this angle is equal to this angle. This angle and these angles are equal, and included side, these two angles, this side, these two angles, this side are equal, then these two triangles are congruent by angle side angle postulate. Is it clear? If two angles and included side of one triangle is equal to the two angles and included side of another triangles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. It has an axiom also. It's a derived formula. It has one derived axiom. Say, if this side and this side is equal, this angle and these angles are equal, then this is also congruent by angle side axiom. This is by axiom. Next, one more, see, this is a right angle triangle, this is another right angle triangle. In this two right angle triangle, if the hypotenuse of this triangle is equal to the hypotenuse of this triangle, a side of this triangle is equal to a side of this triangle, one angle 90 degree each, then these two triangles are congruent by right hypotenuse side. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 conditions under which the triangles are congruent. So always when you are asked to find out the congruency of two triangles, you have to find 3 conditions. Either side, 3 sides of one triangle is equal to 3 sides of corresponding 3 sides of another triangle, or 2 sides and 1 angle of one triangle is equal to the corresponding 2 sides and 1 angle of another triangle. Then the two triangles are congruent by SAS. If two angles and included side of one triangle is equal to the two angles corresponding two angles and included side of another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent. If two angles and a side of one triangle is equal to the corresponding two sides corresponding two angles and a side of another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by this axiom. And in case of two right angle triangle, if hypotenuse and a side of one triangle is equal to the hypotenuse and corresponding hypotenuse and another side of the another triangle are equal, then the two triangles are congruent. So let us come to the example. Example 1. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC. Okay, AD is equal to BC is given, and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Prove that Roman 1 triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Roman 2 BD is equal to AC. Roman 3 angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Proof. Let me draw the diagram at first. ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC. AD and BC are equal. And DAB, this angle is equal to CBA, this angle. These two angles are also equal. You have to prove ABD. Okay. ABCD is a quadrilateral where AD is equal to BC and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. I'll put construction we have to make to prove a problem easily. So I'm drawing this construction. AC and BD are drawn. Construction AC and BD are drawn. Now proof. To prove these three things are given. First one is triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC. Second one is BD is equal to AC, and third one is angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. These are the three things you have to prove. Now prove. I'll take triangle ABD and BAC. In triangle ABD and triangle ABC, what you are getting in these two triangle? In this triangle AD and in this triangle BC, AD is equal to BC given. Also in ABD this triangle, this angle, and this ABC angle B, angle BAD is equal to angle ABC. This is given. Now this both the triangles are on the same base ABC. Both triangles are on the same base. So AB is equal to AB. Common side for both the triangle. Side is same. Therefore triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC. By which postulate is theorem SAS. One side, two side, and one angle. This one proved. Now this triangle ABD, this triangle ABD and ABC, these two triangles are congruent. So their corresponding sides are always equal. Hence, also angle AC, side AC is equal to AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Why it is? This corresponding, these are the corresponding sides. This triangle and this triangle. AC and BD are the corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Corresponding sides of congruent triangle. This is your second proof is done. And angle ABD, this angle is equal to BAC, this angle. They are corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Corresponding is equal to angle BAC. Okay, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. ABD is equal to angle BAC. This angle. Why they are corresponding angles of congruent triangle? This is Roman number third proof. So this is proved. Next we'll see example number 2. Example 2. Example 2. L and M are parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines, M and N. Prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. This is what we have to prove. Let's have L and M are two parallel lines. So L, M are two parallel lines intersected by another parallel lines. Intersected by another parallel lines P and Q. Sorry, M and N. L and M, P and Q. Okay? You have to prove A, B, C. Now here again naming A, B, C, D. You have to prove that ABC, A, B, C. That means construction is there. This is true. ABC is equal to CDA. These two triangles are congruent. You have to prove. For that, we have to find out the three conditions. Now you see, these two are parallel, and this is transversal. So these two angles are what angles? Alternate angles. Again you say these two are parallel. These two lines are parallel and this is transversal. So these two angles are what? Alternate angles. And AC is a side for both the triangle. AC, thus you get angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. These two triangles are congruent. So let us write. Proof. In triangle ABC and triangle ACD, angle ACB, this angle is equal to CAD, angle CAD. This is what? Alternate angles. Next, angle BAC, this line, angle BAC is equal to angle ACD, this is also same region. Then this is common side for both the triangle. AC is equal to AC, common side. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ACD by what? Two angles and one side. Angle, side, angle. Proved. Next we will see example number 3. Example 3. Example number 3, see. AC is equal to AE, AB is equal to AD, and angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. Prove that BC is equal to DE. This is the question placed to you. AC is equal to AE. So if I will draw the diagram, you will understand it easily. See the diagram. So I am drawing the diagram like this. This is A, B, D, C, E. This is the diagram we are getting. And they have given us this is equal to this is equal to this. That means AB is equal to AD given, AC is equal to AE given, also given to us that BAD, this angle BAD is equal to angle CAE, this angle is, and you have to prove that BC is equal to DE, BC is equal to DE. That means I have to prove that ABC, this triangle, congruent to ADE. This is my target. Proof. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAE or EAC. This is given. To make my triangle BAC, I have to add this angle both sides. Adding angle CAD both sides. What we will get? Adding both sides. Angle BAD plus angle CAD is equal to angle EAC plus angle CAD. This implies BAD, this angle, plus CAD, this angle, is equal to BAC is equal to EAC, this angle, plus CAD, this angle is equal to DAE. This I am marking as 1. Now, in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, in this triangle, side AB is equal to, in triangle ADE, this is given. In triangle ABC, AC is equal to angle ADE, AE is given. Angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. This is from 1. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE. See, ABC, this triangle is congruent to ADE. Therefore, BC is equal to DE. Therefore, BC is equal to DE. Corresponding side of congruent triangle. This is proved.